guys, we're back in the shed for another day. I've just been to Taylor Tools this afternoon and had a bit of a haul. I picked up, they had a deal on buy any 12 volt skin and get a free battery. So I got the caulking gun, which I've been looking at for quite a while, but finally pulled the trigger. And there's all my batteries, which is awesome. I had one already from the heated jacket, the Milwaukee heated jacket, which is great for winter down here in Tas. Got the impact wrench in 12 volt and got the 12 volt jigsaw, which I didn't think I was going to, but anyway. The only cordless jigsaw I've got at the moment is a Makita one. I'm trying to phase all of those tools out, so there we go. Alright, so our jobs for today, I've got to finish off making the rest of these, so there's another 5 of these to do. They're just brackets to go at the feet of a cross stand for an arborist friend. And I've also got to prep and weld this, so it's pretty sure that's cast aluminium, which is going to be painful. So anyway, I'll be interested to see how the Fronius will handle it. Despite the name, I know it's not magic, but hopefully it will handle it okay, because historically cast aluminium has been a nightmare. Anyway, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm basically just clamping these. This is the same size as what the foot would be, so I've just clamped that in to get a tack. Yeah, it was way too slow for a fillet that size. I probably need to preheat it. Otherwise, I've got it set at 150 amps, but we'll see if preheating this one helps. It flowed a little better, so the machine's set at 150 at the moment. So if I press that, give it 165, and I've got the foot pedal, so I can always adjust it. It went in better. Definitely got hotter in my hand. It's still not fast, like it's still not at the speed that I should be running that weld at though. The only thing I was thinking is, if I go into menu, I've got the frequency at 120, I could possibly lower that. And I've got, if I go back out of here, I've got the AC balance at 30, so I could try and lower that to get a bit more heat, but this machine has a function which I haven't used yet called current offset. So if I put that down 10%, I think that means it'll favour the current 10% towards the negative side, which should make it hotter. So let's give that a try. Yeah, that was definitely hotter. That definitely went in quicker. Alright, so it turns out the part is cast iron because the magnet sticks to it. And kind of when I cleaned it up, it started looking more and more like cast iron. So I went, let's get a magnet and check. So it's not aluminium, so I'll try and tack it with this 1.6mm ER70-6. I've just got this clamp holding it while I tack it, and then I'll see how much heat it takes to weld it out. Front and back welded out. Not the prettiest thing, but it's cast, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'll just do each of these sides now, and it's done. Alright, that's the small jobs for tonight done. Super happy with how the furnace is going. I still want to get a torch that will take standard consumables, but yeah, that was the cast. It welded really smoothly, so I don't know whether that was the machine or it just wasn't that bad, but I put very little weld prep into it. Oh, this wireless is so good. You just got to remember to turn the power off, otherwise the battery will flat. Alright, that's it for another one. We'll see you next time.